Welcome to Augustine's Educational Studio. In this video, we present our JSS1 Mathematics Fractions Masterclass, a complete learning guide designed with interactive practice sets to help you succeed. We begin with Module 1, where we lay the foundations. Here, we will grasp fraction fundamentals, explore the three primary formats, and learn to convert and check for equivalent states. By the end of this module, you will be able to define and classify fractions, convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions, generate equivalent values, and simplify fractions to their lowest terms. What is a fraction? Simply put, it is a portion of a whole divided into equal parts. We use the numerator to count selected parts and the denominator to show the total number of slices. Fractions come in three primary formats: proper fractions, where the numerator is smaller than the denominator; improper fractions, where it is equal or larger; and mixed numbers, combining a whole integer with a proper fraction. Equivalent proportions represent the same overall value. You can generate them by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero quantity. To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator. To go from improper back to mixed, divide the top by the bottom. Now, let's test your knowledge. Can you identify, convert, and solve these 5 fraction problems? Take a moment to review these challenges. In Module 2, we dive into basic operations. You will learn to combine, separate, scale, and share fractions, mastering the procedures needed for all standard expressions. By completing this module, you will be able to add and subtract fractions with matching or different denominators, perform multiplication and division, and solve complex arithmetic expressions. When denominators are the same, simply perform the math on the numerators while keeping the base denominator unchanged. Always remember to check if your final answer can be simplified. For adding unequal denominators, follow these 4 steps. Find the least common multiple, transform the fractions, calculate the result, and finally, express the fraction in its simplest form. Finally, when multiplying fractions, multiply top by top and bottom by bottom. For division, use the keep change flip method by multiplying by the reciprocal. This concludes our masterclass. Now, let's see if you can solve these 5 challenges. These practice questions cover basic arithmetic, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mixed operations. Welcome to Module 3, Everyday Use. In this section, we move beyond the classroom to apply our knowledge of fractions to real-world scenarios in trades, geometry, and daily life. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to analyze sharing scenarios, identify practical applications, manipulate physical measurements using fractions, and test your own comprehension. Fractions are essential in our daily activities. In school, they help us distribute supplies and allocate tasks. Professionals like architects and tailors rely on fractions to ensure precision in their work. Here is your final self-evaluation board. These problems range in complexity and focus on different application areas, from word problems to mixed division. Were you able to complete these exercises? Take your time to work through them and post your final answers in the comment section below. Thank you for watching our masterclass. We hope this video helped strengthen your understanding of fractions. Please subscribe for more high-quality educational content. This content is protected by copyright. Please note that unauthorized reproduction or redistribution of these materials is strictly prohibited and constitutes a violation of our terms.